This is G435. It's our lightest, most versatile, and most sustainable headset to date. It's made with recycled plastics, it's certified carbon neutral, and even our packaging is sustainable. G435 is the result of our efforts to deliver innovation, comfort, and style to our younger gamers at an incredible value. It's one headset for playing games, playing music, playing movies, and playing with friends.
Versatility is key for G435. For many gamers, playing happens not just on PCs, but on consoles, smartphones, and other devices. This is our first gaming headset with LIGHTSPEED and low-lag Bluetooth connectivity, so you can easily switch between your PC, Mac, PlayStation, and smartphone. To make sure your voice sounds good and that you come through loud and clear, we built in 2 beamforming mics. Together, they help reduce background noise and make you sound like you're right next to your friends. To make your games, music, movies, and friends sound great, we gave the G435 40mm audio drivers. You'll get clear highs, balanced mids, and deep bass, all adding up to a complete sound experience for everything that you listen to.
With the G435, you can play all day. The energy-efficient battery gives you 18 hours to play, talk, or listen. All-day comfort was also a focus for us. G435 fits a wider range of players, but is specifically sized for younger players and those with smaller heads.
Despite all that tech packed inside, the G435 is incredibly lightweight, coming in at only 165 grams. We also gave it sound-isolating memory foam earpads and a comfortable, breathable knit headband.
Besides design, we paid attention to every detail when it came to reducing our carbon emissions. Less material is used in our design, and a minimum 22% of its plastic by weight are from post-consumer recycled plastic. Even the box has been reduced to its minimum to ship more products within the same volume, which reduces our carbon impact. And all of the paper we use comes from FSC-certified forests that are responsibly and sustainably managed. We've also made numerous design, sourcing, and production decisions that led to a 40% reduction in our carbon emissions compared to G533. With all that sustainability effort, G435 is certified carbon neutral.
We're very excited for you to try G435. LIGHTSPEED and Bluetooth for versatility, built-in beamforming mics for clear voice and an elegant look, and 40mm drivers for immersive audio. It's incredibly light and comfortable and comes in 3 beautiful colorways: black and neon yellow, off-white and lilac, blue and raspberry. If you want to learn more about G435, check out logitechg.com, and as always, keep playing.